Hello students, good morning to you all. Welcome to the e-learning classes. I am your science teacher. I hope आप लोग अच्छे होंगे. So let's quickly start our today's work. चलिए फिर आज का काम शुरू करते हैं. Today we are going to do question answers of lesson 2 plants our friends. आज हम लोग lesson 2 का question answer कॉपी में करेंगे. All right. So all of you take out your copies quickly. अपनी अपनी कॉपीज़ आप लोग जल्दी से निकाल लीजिए and start writing. Students, you have to write this in your science fair copy. ये सारा काम आपको साइंस की फेयर कॉपी में करना है. All right. So let's start our work. First of all, write the date on the right side of your page. अपने पेज के राइट साइड में आज की डेट डालिए. Today is 12th 5th 2020. Students, write the date on the right side of your page. पेज के राइट साइड में डेट डालिए आप लोग. All right. On the next line, write down the CW classwork. Underline the classwork. On the next line, write down the lesson number. Lesson 2 plants our friends. So this is your lesson name. All right, underline it. Students, use pencil and scale for doing underline. आप पेंसिल और स्केल की हेल्प से ही अंडरलाइन करेंगे and no one is going to use colors. Underline it. On the next line, write down the exercise name. Today we are going to do exercise C, that is answer the following questions. All right. So underline the heading. So students, please do very neat and clean work. All right. So let's start the exercise. Our first question is question number 1. Name 3 plants whose leaves are eaten. All right. So ऐसी 3 leaves के नाम लिखने हैं. You have to write the name of 3 leaves which we eat, जो कि हम लोग खाते हैं. All right. Name 3 plants whose leaves are eaten. 3 plants के नेम लिखने हैं जिसकी leaves हम लोग खाते हैं. All right. So our answer will be A. Our first is spinach. 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 Spinach means palak. All right. B. Fenugreek. 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 Fenugreek means methi. And the next one is mint. 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 So these are the 3 leaves which we eat. So Name 3 plants whose leaves are eaten: spinach, fenugreek and mint. So let's move to the second one. Write 2 examples of each. You have to write 2 examples. आपको सबके 2 examples लिखने हैं. So what are they? First is cereals. So first example of cereals will be, cereals mean anaj. You all must know that. So what are the examples of cereals? Yes, right, it is wheat. Wheat means गेहूं. And the next one is rice. So number 1 is, first example is wheat and the next example is rice. Rice means chawal. You have to write the 2 examples of pulses also. Pulses, pulses. Pulses means dal. So there are many pulses. You can write the name of any 2. So you can write the name of gram, 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 and you can write the name of arhar, ARHAR. So these are the 2 pulses which we eat. They are very healthy and nutritious. बहुत healthy और nutritious होते हैं. Alright. So let's move to the third one. Question number 3. Our third question is, who provides food and shelter food means khana and shelter means place to live to animals? Who provides food and shelter to animals? Animals को food और खाना और रहने की जगह कौन देता है? So you all must be knowing the answer. Yes, it is plant. So the answer will be plants provide food and shelter to animals. So plants are very beneficial not only for human beings but also for the animals also. Plants सिर्फ human beings के लिए helpful और beneficial नहीं होते. They are very helpful for the animals also. All right, students, one thing I want to say that please don't use capital letters in between the sentence. Sentence के बीच में capital letters use मत किया करिए. All right, capital letter तभी यूज़ होता है when there is a name of anything. जब किसी का नाम होता है then only use capital letter. Otherwise don't use capital letters in between the sentence. I checked many copies. I've seen in many pics that most of you use capital letters in between the sentence. आप लोग sentence के बीच में capital letters use करते हैं. So please don't use capital letters. Only first letter will be in capital. All right, as the new sentence begins with capital letter. So now just write down your today's homework. you have to do exercise A, page number 20 in your book. Students, you have to do exercise A, page number 20, that is given on page number 20 in your book. आपको अपने बुक में ही करना है. So let's see what is this exercise is. So what in this exercise you have to draw or paste pictures of 3 things made of wood. You have to paste और यू कैन ड्रॉ ऑल्सो. आप ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हो, पेस्ट भी कर सकते हो. 3 थिंग्स, 3 चीज़ें जो वुड से बनी हुई हैं. किस चीज़ से? वुड, लकड़ी से बनी हुई. ऑलराइट, सो यू हैव टू पेस्ट और ड्रॉ एंड यू हैव टू डू दिस इन योर बुक ओनली. ये काम आपको अपने बुक में ही करना है. नो वन इज़ गोइंग टू डू इट इन योर कॉपी. सो 1 2 3 थिंग्स यू हैव टू पेस्ट. ऑलराइट, आई होप चीज़ें आपको क्लियर हो गई होंगी. थैंक यू सो मच. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.